Hello guys, I hope you all guys doing well. I hope because I am sick today, so I think you all are thinking about that why he is sitting today. In fact, today I am not able to stand. I don't have much more energy, so that's why today I am sick. So as you all are able to see me, I am sick. So I don't have energy. As you know about the Ramazan Mahina is going on. So lots of people. I wanna say something about lots of people. In Ramadan month, lots of people. What have lots of people doing struggle? Why? Lots of people suffering from any disease like they are struggling any disease, they are going through disease, they are they all are, but lots of people want to, lots of people want to do fast, but willingly they can't do it. It happens. But lots of people, as you know about that, in fact, yesterday I was talking to my friend. So he was saying to me, in fact, I got fever. So I said to him, so are you doing fast during your fever? Then he said to me, yeah, I don't want to live. I don't want to quit single one fast. I'm doing continue. He was saying to me, in fact, in a day, in a day, every day I got fever, and after that, after open fast, then I take tablet. So he was saying to me about that. Lots of people, lots of people, do like that. So as you know, nowadays I am suffering from headache really. So that's why what happened. In fact, yesterday whatever I was thinking when I got headache, so I was thinking, in fact, let's see what happened. Then I slept. After that, I was thinking I will get up in the sehri, then let's see what happened. uh, if I will cure, so then I will share it, then I will fast. So I was thinking I am looking forward to it, I will cure, but really I didn't cure. When I'm talking about Sahari time. So that's why I didn't fast today. Now I'm suffering from bit headache. So I'm not saying I'm lots of people do like that. Lots of people suffering from any disease. So really, Almighty, all of you and including me, grant us health, wealth as well. Lots of people, and Almighty, whoever lots of people nowadays they are suffering from, lots of people they all are in hospital. So Almighty grant them health, wealth, and lots of people. But lots of people nowadays harvesting work going on. Lots of people do work, continue complete day, and they are doing fast. Almighty grant them health really, and grant them strengthen. I wanna say like that. So that's why I'm saying, when if you are if you are, but lots of people, what happen, what's going on, lots of people they are good. If we talk behalf, any disease, so they are good, they are okay completely, they are healthy, but they don't do fast. Why? You are supposed to do fast, because Ramadan, mean it's been 17, 18, we have 12 left, 12 Ramadan, 12, we can say 12, 11 Ramadan left. So I think you are supposed to do. It's a month of forgiveness. It's Ramadan. When you do fast, so definitely when we will meet to Almighty, then rosa fast will be shield to us. Rosa will save to us, definitely, because it's between Almighty and a true believer. So that's why I'm saying, do lots of people, they are uh, wandering, they are walking around, they are wandering, they are lot, every day they are something, they are even no nothing, not only must that, lots of people play gambling like that, whatever. Is the month of generous. You need to understand about that. It's a month of generous, it's a month of tranquility, it's the month of forgiveness. Where you are, why you don't think about that, lots of people, we need to think about that. If you are not thinking really, you came here, why? Because I know, you know you came here, not a big deal, you came here, but it's a month of Ramadan. So I think you are supposed to think about that, what we are doing in the month of Ramadan. Don't use abusive word, don't backbiting. It's a okay, it's a month of Ramadan. Don't do fight with each other, don't do talk much more. Like if you talk too much more, so then you can say, I'm not saying, it's a possibility when you talk too much more, then you can use something bad word. It's a possibility. And you, when you talk too much more, so what happen? It happens, you get uh, we can say, when you speak, so you need water. It happens. Suppose you know about that, when professor, my professor teacher take class, when the takes class, what happen? It's a reality. They they drink water again and again, time after 20 minutes. That's why when you speak, so you will get thirst, definitely. So that's why I'm saying you need to think about that. 12 month, 12, we can say 12 month Ramadan left, so please do it all and seek forgiveness. Not a big deal, what you have done in before, not a big deal, but Almighty, I have told you, Almighty most loved, you are most loved, uh, you know Almighty, Almighty, loves you more than your mom. So mom, how loves mom, do you know about that? So that's why Almighty love higher than that. So that's why when you seek forgiveness to Almighty, definitely Almighty will forgive us. Definitely. We all are. I'm not saying I am a, I do. We all are human. We can do mistake, not a big deal. But you need to think about that. When you do mistake, seek forgiveness about that. Yeah, I have done. Almighty grant us health and go on. And when you do good deeds, so seek forgiveness to Almighty. Seek Almighty. Almighty grant me. Almighty protect my deed or deed. When you do bad deeds, so Almighty protect me from whatever you do bad. You are supposed to do like that, and make a dua.